Here we go, babe.
This is a hot lot.
Wait till it goes to the end.
Mexico on a roll right now. Oh! Hey, what's up, YouTube? So I've been watching a lot of videos and a lot of people buying stuff on Copart, and I figured, you know, I like building things. I'm gonna have a lot of dirt bike videos coming up very soon, and I got very great news today. I won on auction a Yamaha R6 2009 that I think it'll be a great experience for me to build. I tried to get it shipped to me, but the prices were outrageous. So right now I'm in the car, driving from Florida to Pennsylvania, about a 17-hour drive. And I want to take you guys on the adventure with me on picking the bike up, bringing it back to the house, and just making it a complete build series. So keep watching. We're on our way. We're here in Atlanta. Keep you guys bored with just road footage. So as soon as we get to Philly, I get back on the camera. When we get a little pit stop, I get back on the camera and keep you guys posted on what's going on. So stay tuned. Well, good morning, guys. Day 2. We ended up getting to New Jersey at about 12 o'clock at midnight. It's about 9, I want to say it's about 8:20. We'll be there in a couple minutes. It's Copart. Gonna pick up the bike. Had a good ride. Wasn't too long. And now I got wifey driving to Copart now. And let's see when we get there. I'll show you guys the bike. And we go from there. Just find parking. You can park anywhere. Park, it says reserved parking, so I'm guessing over there. Just got to Copart. I'm excited and nervous and tired. You excited, babe?
Yeah, I finally got here.
We finally got here after, I want to say 18 hours, but we slept, so we got some sleep. It's about 20 something hours already. Just gonna go get the
Bike.
Just gonna go get the bike. I'm tired. Gonna go get the bike, load it up, and head right back to Miami. So there's no cameras allowed inside Copart, so I'll probably be switching to my cell phone and we can go browse around and see what's up.
And there we have it, you guys. The beast has arrived.
voy a llevar para Miami ahora. Sí. Un Yamaha R6. Sí. De 2009. Tiene 5.000 millas. Sí, se cayeron. Pero prende y corre. Los plásticos. Got a knife? What's up, guys? Brief update. We're about 70 miles from West Palm Beach. Just changed drivers with my lady. She's driving again. Bike is still back there, safe and sound. Should be getting home in another 3 hours. As soon as we get home, got the cameras rolling again, and show you guys the bike. Finally made it back, guys. This is the 2009 Yamaha R6 that we got from Copart. A little banged up. Making this the introduction of what my channel is going to consist of. When I first started the channel, I was going for more dirt bike scene and all that, but I've grown up. Me and my lady want to do more rides in the street, and so I decided, you know, how about we make a build series. Shout out to Chase on 2 Wheels for that, because I watched a lot of your videos. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but I watched a lot of your videos, and your videos inspired me to build my own bike. So what happened was I won this bike for about, I want to say a good $2,000 off Copart. It was it runs and drives. The only thing is, as we can see, we got forks that are bent. We got a broken cluster. We got all the fairings are banged up, I believe. We got a broken peg. So the bike is in pretty bad shape. You know, the pictures on Copart didn't do as much justice, but you know, let's just hope for the best, swing for the fences. I'm gonna start my next video. I'm gonna start by taking the whole bike apart, assessing the damage 100%. I want to triple check that frame is not cracked. Even though I briefly ran through it, looked through it, it looks fine. So as long as the frame is not cracked, that's like my biggest worry. Everything else is replaceable. So yeah, man, I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and you know, join us on this adventure. You know, and my beautiful girlfriend right here, we thinking about getting her R3 or I think it's an FZ07. So we're gonna get that from Copart as well. and we're gonna build that up. So just to bring you guys some more content. And if you like it, you'll subscribe. And if you don't, well, thank you for watching. Just leave me a comment. Tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you guys think I should do to the bike. What little add-ons to put on the bike, and we'll go from there. Peace.